Hello and welcome to my channel, where I do daily Bitcoin technical analysis every day, Monday to Friday, analyze price action and prepare setups for trading for today. So we have a new monthly candle. The high is immediately taken out today. If this candle turns red, it can take a long time before it goes up. We can go for a deep retrace. So be aware of this. Red monthly candle is not good for now. I still expect higher. Be aware that before the bull market on December we went up almost 50%. So just be careful. How much is 50%? Let's see where it would take us. 55,000. It's not unrealistic. Of course, this was price exploration. There was new highs on all time frame. So basically we have some resistance here. The resistance is gonna be like 48,000. We have some even here for 39,000, 38,000. We have some resistance. Before we didn't have resistance, but it's not out of the question, you know, that Bitcoin doesn't move like this. You see this red candle here? There was some resistance here. It went up 50%. So just be aware that we can get a massive pump. Weekly time frame, still not breaking out. We keep taking the highs and people think, oh, we broke the highs, but this is not a breakout. I will show you what is a breakout. 28% weak from low to high, 29% from low to high, 34% from low to high, 50% weak. And what we have this week, 5%. This is not a breakout. So if we do like 25, it takes us to 48k, and that's a conservative estimation. At some point this is gonna happen unless this breaks down. But since we are at the highs, we don't expect this to break down. We expect the price to go higher. If we come back below 36, 35k, okay, then maybe we project some downside. Maybe we reversed. For now, expect higher. Yeah, so let's check what I had yesterday and what we have today. So yesterday we had this downtrending wedge, kind of a bull flag, you could say, and I was saying short opportunity is right here. We touch it, weekly open, straight back up, forever green trade. I love those. Projection worked out really well. I made a video right here and I was saying that we see some support here, and I can tell you that if you long here on this backtest, or if you long here, these are not mistakes. You never, if you think this is a mistake to long this move and then it's taken out, in hindsight, yeah, maybe we go lower, maybe we go to weekly open, maybe we front run weekly open. You don't know. This is, if you think this is a mistake, you're looking for something 100% probability, which are non-existent in the market. This is 60%, this is 60%, this is 60%, okay, we go up. Or maybe even 50%. If you manage your risk and you have good risk to reward and you expect highs to be taken 3% up, you don't mind a 0.5% or maybe even lower stop loss. Or if you take profit, you can make money, you can make money, you can make money. So one interesting observation, these trend lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of fake out. This is a trap basically. When people are being chopped out of the market, they lose money. I'm sure a lot of people lose money with this chop because they expect higher or they expect lower. It's not as simple as Bitcoin up or down. It's never as simple. You need some price action to create some traps, to clear traders, to clear the open interest. So what this is basically fourth touch. We have 4 on the bottom, we have fourth touch on the high. We try to break out, we take local high, swing failure, and I'm sure a lot of people are bearish here. And those people who lost a lot of money here, they are tired. They think, okay, my strategy is not working. Whatever I'm doing is not working. I'm losing money. So let's do what is working. You see, trend line is working. So let's trade that trend line. And this is the point where a lot of people are thinking, yeah, I make money. I trade that trend line. It worked out before. It will work out now. And overwhelmingly, a lot of people thought that this is the high and then we go lower. This is a good trade. And they get trapped. New day opens and we move up. We squeeze them out. I can show you proof now on Atas. This is exactly what happened. The trend line was right here. This was where I made a video. There was proof of support, CVD sharp drop. You could long here. I waited for my projection weekly open. You see a lot of candles. This is volume chart, 1 million volume per candle, and this is showing high volume. On TradingView you only see a wick. On here I see a lot of volume, and CVD dropping, people selling, they getting trapped. We move back up. This is where we rejected the trend line. You see the sharp CVD drop. Everyone convinced that this is the high. CVD dropping, that means retail is selling. And on the other side of selling is a big guy, some market maker or whatever you call this, some institution maybe, some liquidity provider. They are on the other side and they are buying here. New month opens, new month opens and new day as well, and we move up. This was proof of support, that's what I want to say, on weekly VWAP. So I will explain one theory that I'm using on new day open, and basically you can use it on every session. You test the closest resistance and the closest support and see maybe one of them is removed, because sometimes they just clock out and go home, like with US session. Why it works out, why US session close is such a good opportunity to trade usually, because the resistance or the support can be removed. New traders, new trades on new session. So we test on the new monthly open, we test the support, we bounce, so this is still support. We test the resistance and we go up. We test another resistance, we go up. So resistance is removed. At this point I'm thinking this is it, that we broke out basically. The resistance is removed. Like it's not, CVD is not going up like right here. We don't have proof of resistance. Price went up all this move with flat CVD basically. That means bullish order flow. Some bigger guys are moving the price up. It's not retail buying. Retail was thinking this is a short. They are convinced after what happened yesterday, after the pattern we brought, after the trend lines, they are convinced this is a short. They are caught off guard. They are not longing this. The buying started around here and CVD started going up. This is where retail started buying, and actually we came down here. I wanted to say that if we go for retrace, we recover to the point where CVD started going up, to the point where retail started buying, and this is where they started buying, and we actually recovered this already. So this was opportunity to buy, I think, but we're losing VWAP. It doesn't look good. All I can say is that we're probably gonna go higher. From this, order flow is still bullish and the price action is still bullish, but this is new monthly candle opening, so we can get a lot of unexpected volatility. Every trade is closer to 50-50 than you would think. There is nothing even close to 100%. Why VWAP didn't bounce in an uptrending day? VWAP could bounce as well. Previous week high as well, we're testing the highs. Why it didn't bounce? Because you don't know when it's gonna reverse. But thing is that the strategy we should use now is bull market strategy. You buy anywhere and you hope it goes up. That's what I think. We backtested. It's gonna be an order block. No, it's not 1 hour order block. Yeah, you could say this is order block. You can go even lower time frames. See the precision on order block. That's why order blocks work. We recovered the move up. Everyone who longed here, they stopped out. Everyone who longed sideways, they stopped out. You shake out the market for a move higher. But now we built some resistance, which is not ideal. This point of control. VWAP already recovered. Yeah, if you long it like in bull market, you need to catch opportunity like this. Put the stop loss here. Once we reach point of control, you can move stop loss on entry, so you don't lose any money. We can easily go lower, but we are playing for like, okay, 3%, maybe it's not enough to go risky, but we can go to 40k. 40k is a level where everyone says that it's gonna go to, and where we are selling. If we are selling on 40k, it's gonna go higher. 42k next level, so you can get like 3k up, 9% move if we are breaking out, and there is no reason we are not breaking out today. This is just a back test and it's not looking bad. Yeah, so the only thing I can say is that there is no long opportunities, there is no short opportunities today. Everything is close to 50-50. Losing monthly open turns the monthly candle red, and we can get a lot of panic to the downside. And basically, okay, so I will keep my levels same as before. I have new one here, monthly open. The sentiment change on red and green candle is important for me. I hope we don't take out this, because it can take a few weeks before we reverse. This is massive reversal below weekly open. Basically we go down. Oh, sorry. Started lagging a bit. Basically we go down somewhere, we find some support, and once we come back up, this is the point where the squeeze starts, because this is the point where the monthly candle turns green. And same way, this is the point where we squeeze to the downside. So monthly open, very important level. Important to hold. So I keep this level here. I will be scared to take these trades. I'm not gonna take them probably. Here again, because it's very unexpected what's gonna happen. I expect higher prices, but once we lose monthly open, that's it. It's probably we lock in the high. We don't know when it's gonna reverse. It can take 1 day of retrace, it can take 1 week, it can take 1 month of retrace. You don't know. For now, this is a back test. Expect higher until we start losing the levels. This is where the retail started buying. We backtesting VWAP. Okay, this is decision point for me now. I am still in long from here. I'm probably gonna just hold and expect that it bounces from monthly open. And whatever happens, it happens. Today is everything 50-50. I would expect a breakout at some point, because this is taking too long. Is this another fake out? Like, what the hell? Where is the breakout? It's teasing with us. Looks like we're rejecting the VWAP. Like, okay. Last thing, just go back here. Last thoughts. We are holding support. For me, this is a long opportunity. I know it's kind of difficult to predict. For me, this is a long opportunity. Because we trade like in bull market. As long as we hold the monthly open, we trade like in bull market. This is not VWAP lost, this is just volatility, noise around the VWAP. And we backtest. Yeah, this is a long for me. I will make it clear. And this is a 50-50 long, but it's worth it because we are looking for a big upside if we hold this.